Another important Indian situation I tell you. I am a Swami committed to ahimsa. A sannyasi's vow is ahimsa, really. It is nothing but ahimsa. Sarva bhutebhyaha abhayam dattva. I am doing this sannyasa, taking this sannyasa, giving complete refuge to all of, giving complete to all living beings, creatures, even to devatas. That I am not a competitor to any of you. I will not hurt any of you. Kayena vacha manasa. That is sannyasa. I am aware of this. I am a sannyasi. I sit there in Rishikesh. These two fellows come to me. One is a Christian priest, Padri. Other one is a Maulvi. Both of them come to me. I invite them. They are religious people. They are committed people. I respect them. I respect them, give them seats. They try to argue with me something. Generally, I don't argue with them. Because you argue with people whom you can convince. I don't argue with the people who only want to convince me. I am not interested in that. And therefore, so I don't want to argue. I enjoy them as human beings. And then I sat with them, talked to them. They pick up a quarrel, unwanted, and there is no basis for it, quarrel with me. And then they begin to beat me. And there is, this is just an imagination, there is no such thing happening. There is a policeman standing there. Then they go on beating me black and blue, two of them. And then the policeman, I implored to the policeman, hey, please stop them. I don't want to fight them back. I am committed to ahimsa. I don't want to fight them back. You please do something. I appeal to him. He says, this is a matter between religious people. I am secular. I am supposed to not to interfere. Twice, thrice I requested him and he didn't respond to my request positively. Then I thought I have to protect myself. My Shastra will still forgive me. Even though I am given to ahimsa, still I can protect myself. And therefore I thought I will take care of myself. I am not just a weakling. With all the bhiksha, I have got enough strength. And therefore I can take care of these two fellows, perhaps one more. And therefore I began to really defend myself. The defense is to attack. There is no other way. The best form of defense is sometimes offense. That's what every husband does. And therefore you defend yourself, and I try to do something, then he comes in between. They are minority, they will be protected, you should not fight against them. Adapavi. Hey, you are supposed to protect me. You are the government, you are the state, you are supposed to protect me, not like this. You have to change the whole blessed thing here. If the constitution has to be changed, let it be changed for good.